Hello students, let us see this question here. A engine blowing a vessel 256 vibrations per second. So here the frequency is given. So F0 is given 256. And if approaching with you with 1/10 of the velocity of the sound, the frequency before and after crossing the engine as heard by you will be. So this is the question of Doppler effect. So I can assume, so first frequency before crossing. So let us calculate the frequency before crossing here. So apparent frequency, or you can say like 256 hertz. So if apparent I am trying to calculate before approaching, so this I am calculating here before crossing. So if I use the formula here, so this will be F0 V the speed of sound minus V the speed of source divided by V minus velocity of observer. Divided by V. So this is the formula here. So since you can see the observer, it is at rest, and the source, which is the train, you can take engine that is moving. So here the V0, so velocity of observer will be 0 here. So you can say this will become 0 in both the questions, right, in both the cases. So I can say here this will become like F0 V minus Vs. So this is the formula I have to apply here if apparent. So if I take, just me remove this. So if I take the case of before approaching, before crossing, so if I apply before crossing, then F apparent is equal to F0, so that is 256 here, divided by V is the speed of sound, okay, and V minus, since it is before crossing, it means it is approaching. So since it is approaching, so Vs will be positive, so V minus V upon 10. So here this 256 can be taken outside, and this will become V upon V can be taken common out. This will be 1 upon 10. So this will get cancelled out. So this becomes 256, right? And this will become 9 minus 10. So this will become 10 upon 9 here. So this is the before crossing. Now let us calculate after crossing. So if apparent will be equal to F0, that is once again 256. I have to apply this formula only. V is the speed of sound here, and V minus, now it is moving away. In this case, right, once the train has crossed, so it is moving away. So here the speed of engine will be taken as negative. So minus V upon 10. So this will become, once again V can be taken out and it will cancel outside, and this minus will become plus. So this will become 256, 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 10 here now. So right, I am doing this calculation here. Okay, so here, right, if I take here this side, so F apparent will be 256 into 10 upon 11. So if you take these values, then here you will get, in this case you will get 269. If you do the calculation here, then you will get 269.5 hertz, and here you will get 243.8 hertz, right? I am leaving the calculation for you to do, but if you do the calculation, here you will get this and here you will get this. So obviously if you will match, option B will correct, option 2. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.